As we start week 2 of Stat 280, there are a few introductory points I would like to make in this video. This week, we will build on the fundamentals covered during week 1 as we address descriptive statistics and revisit data ethics. The written assignment this week involves computing descriptive statistics using Microsoft Excel. The strength of descriptive statistics is its ability to collect, organize, and compare large amounts of categorical and continuous data in a more manageable form. They are used to describe the basic features of a data set. The mean or average, the mode, the median, the range, and the standard deviation are all examples of descriptive statistics. They provide simple summaries about the sample and the measures. Together with charts and graphs, they form the basis of virtually every quantitative analysis of data. Descriptive statistics are used to present quantitative descriptions in a manageable and understandable form. Once you have collected data, you need to use descriptive statistics to convey the important aspects regarding the distribution of your data. As a minimum, 2 features of the distribution that you should describe using descriptive statistics are central tendency and data variability or spread. The measures of central tendency and variability that you calculate and report depend on your data's scale of measurement. For example, the mean is the best measure of central tendency for data measured on the interval or ratio scales, provided the data are approximately normally distributed. If the interval or ratio scale data are not normally distributed, report both the mean and the median. If your data are measured on the ordinal scale, reporting the mean is misleading and wrong. The median is the best measure of central tendency for ordinal scale data, and the mode is the best measure of central tendency for nominal scale data. There are similar rules for measures of variability. All these rules are explained in the week's textbook reading assignment. Statisticians are expected to know and apply this information. In a research study, we may have many measures or variables. We may also measure a large number of individuals on any measure or variable. Descriptive statistics help us to summarize large amounts of this data. Each descriptive statistic reduces lots of data into a simpler summary. For example, consider grade point average or GPA. This single number describes the general performance of a student across a potentially wide range of courses. It represents the mean or average of student performance across all the courses taken by the student, and as such, is a measure of central tendency. Every time you try to describe a large set of observations with a single indicator, you run the risk of distorting the original data or losing important detail or misleading people. The GPA doesn't tell you whether the student was in difficult courses or easy ones, or whether they were courses in their major field or in other disciplines. Even given these limitations, descriptive statistics provide a powerful summary and may enable comparisons across individuals. Descriptive statistics are just that, descriptive. They do not involve generalizing beyond the data at hand. Generalizing from our data to another set of cases or to another sample is the business of inferential statistics, which we will study later in this course. For now, our focus is on descriptive statistics. It is important to realize that descriptive statistics represent facts about a data set, but the facts are not necessarily true beyond the data and the circumstances of the data collection. Let me explain. Descriptive statistics are often used to summarize data obtained from surveys. However, survey data may not necessarily reflect the truth. The manner in which a survey question is asked can greatly affect the results of a survey. For example, An NBC Wall Street Journal poll asked two very similar questions in two equivalent samples and obtained very different statistical results. Question 1. Do you favor cutting programs such as Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and farm subsidies to reduce the budget deficit? The results of the survey, 23% in favor. Question 2. Do you favor cutting government entitlements to reduce the budget deficit? The results, 61% in favor. Always keep in mind that as Christian researchers, we must always seek and report the truth. In other words, we must avoid lying or misleading others by accident as well as on purpose. Let me finish this video by quoting from Scripture. Numbers chapter 6, verse 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace.